So today I put one of the two best AIs up against each other in making a game. So the rules of this is that I can't make a descriptive prompt, set instructions, and just a simple ABC, and the result of this ABC without feeding it and the strategies they might use. So I just want to see if I can create one where I do not have I can't use the smartest version of ChatGPT. So So I just finished writing and fixing all the errors that we have gotten in the code, and now I'll be actually now showing you guys the code base and everything of the two apps. So on the left you can see Gemini's code, and on the right you can see ChatGPT's code, and you can see the other files also there. So yeah, so now we're gonna show you the code bases. So the first code base is actually ChatGPT's one. ChatGPT has way more files and it's quite more confusing, so it's not really, I wouldn't really recommend it, because for a junior coder they wouldn't really like a lot of those things, a lot of those codes and stuff, so much of those funny files of coding, and it would be really confusing for a normal person, especially someone who's now actually who's learning how to write code actually. So now for Gemini it's way easier because it's just one folder where the source file is, and that's basically it for the code base. But hopefully, since ChatGPT has a bit more folders and files, it might have better graphics or better game mechanics and game logic than Gemini, but we are not sure yet. But so just take a minute to look at the files and stuff like that. So now we're just gonna go to the next part. Okay, so now let's actually now start to run the apps. So we're gonna go in command prompt, and for now I'm launching Gemini, and I'm just typing the code. So it's npm run dev, and it will actually launch it in Chrome local hosting it. And now we're just gonna go to the new tab, go to localhost. Okay, it's in my history because I was testing it before. So now we have the gray chamber. So I'm just gonna put it in full screen, and we're gonna test out Gemini's game. So Gemini's game is quite good. It's having good environmental. The environment is good. But there are objects, and I believe that red thing moving towards us is the ghost or whatever. And yeah, I like the way Gemini thought about it, but it's not really my expectations from Gemini actually. But since Gemini did have a few source files, it's maybe the reason why. So it maybe doesn't have a larger environment with more objects. So that might be the cause, that might be the reason, I'm not quite sure, but very good. So